everyone. I am Shivaleela Kubasad. I am graduated from SJMV Women's College Hubli and I am living in Hubli. After graduation, I was in search of job and I attended many interviews and I got rejected because of lack of skills. Therefore, one day while scrolling the reels, I came to know about the Gurukul Skills and I approached Gurukul Skills. They explained about what they do and I shown interest in Gurukul Skills and I joined to the Gurukul Skills. As a single parent, my mother struggled a lot. Therefore, her dream was get the job in MNC. Therefore, I joined Gurukul Skills. Before joining, I was not able to stand on stage and talk or communicate with the people confidently. But now I am able to communicate with the people confidently, developed the skills like technical skills and soft skills. Talking about the staff, every staff is personally very supportive. They support in every situations and I got selected for Sagility. I am very excited to start my career with the Sagility multinational company. Therefore, I suggest everyone to join Gurukul Skills. I would like to thank Gurukul team and Gurukul Skills. Thank you, Gurukul Skills.